Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic will be about fruits and vegetables. I'm going to talk about the basic ones that you could use or you'll use in your daily life. So let's get started. Apple. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Strawberry. 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 As you can see, it's made of two words. Strawberry. Strawberry. Grapes. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Grapes. Banana. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Banana. Pear. 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 P-E-A-R. Pear. Peach. P-E-A-C-H. Peach. Peach. Pineapple. 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 Tangerine. 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 As you can see, the I, we don't pronounce it like tangerine. We pronounce it like tangerine. Let's continue. Pomegranate. 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 P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-T-E. That's a long word. Blueberries. Blueberry or blueberries. Repeat after me. Blueberry. Blueberry. If it's in plural, you have to say blueberries with an S. Fig. Fig. F-I-G. Fig. Apricot. Apricot. A-P-R-I-C-O-T. Persimmon. 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 P-E-R-S-I-M-M-O-N. Persimmon. Next one. Coconut. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Raspberry. Raspberry. But as you can see in the image, it's in plural, so you have to say raspberries. Raspberries. Mango. 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 M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Watermelon. 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 As you can see, it's made of watermelon. Watermelon. Avocado. 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 Repeat. Avocado. Papaya. Repeat. Papaya. Papaya. Melon. 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 Plum. 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 Green beans. Onion. 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 Celery. SELERY. Celery. Broccoli. Or broccoli, but broccoli is better pronounced. Sweet corn. Garlic. 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 Red pepper. Repeat after me. Red pepper. Good job. Red pepper. Next one. Carrot. 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 Pumpkin. 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 Leek. It's possible that you have also heard spring onions, so we've got both options. You could choose which one you want to use. Cabbage. 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 Asparagus. ASPARAGUS. Spinach. As you can see, it was CH. Spinach. No, spinach. Eggplant. Zucchini. Potato. 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 Tomato. 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 Cucumber. Lemon. Lettuce. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, tell me in the comments if you want other information that maybe like you would like me to teach you guys or make videos about it. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.